Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see best wallpapers for our PC. So how you can get that, there are some websites you can follow to get some cool wallpapers. So I'm heading over to my Google Chrome, and once I'm in there, the first website you can try is HTQ Walls. So this is htqwalls.com. Head over there. And this is the first website you can head over to get your wallpaper. There are different sorts of wallpaper in here. All you need to do is just to search according to the categories, and you can also see the trending wallpapers. You can also search wallpapers in here. You can search categories according to their resolution and whatnot. Everything is in here. And the second website I'm going to show you is Pixels. So go to Pixels, and here go to this website, pixels.com. Here there are so many stock photos you can use for your wallpaper. So this is the second one, and the third one is Unsplash. So I'm heading over here. That is unsplash.com. So yeah, here you can find your wallpapers too. So yeah, these are the three most trending websites for wallpaper. Hope this video will help you out. If you got any questions regarding this tutorial, you can just comment down below. We will get right back to you. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.